मजहब इस्लाम एक मुकम्मल जाब्ता हयात है, उनको हिंदू मजहब कबूल करने पर मजबूर किया जाता। मुसलमान जब नमाज की अदायगी के लिए मसाजिद में जाते तो उनकी मसाजिद से बाहर महफिल मौसीकी और भजन का एहतमाम किया जाता। इक़्तिदार की पामाली, ख़वातीन की बेहुरमती और सियासी और समाजी मैदान में मुसलमानों से रवा रखा जाने वाले सलूक ने कलमा गो के दिलों पर इकबाल की ज़रबे कलीम का काम किया। शायर, कौन उठाएगा तुम्हें, दौड़ो दौड़ो ज़माना चार क़यामत की जा गया।
Bloodshedding freedom fight of 1857. Muslims of the subcontinent completely understood that Hindus do not and cannot favor them by nature and by instinct. No, it is only up to some Christ to liberate them from frightful and deadly occupation of Hindus. The frightening incident of Jallianwala Bagh was a big proof of Hindu atrocities and led Muslims to conclude that they have to fight for independence if they want to survive. This was the very question of their existence.
पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान, लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान। पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान, लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान। पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान, लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान। पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान।
शुरू है
Sir, I belong to Punjab province. My province is the biggest with respect to population. We have got most natural resources of the country.
We are also sole providers of
We have our own deserts. We have our own airports, and we have more airports as compared to other provinces.
You are exploiters.
Listen me first. We are producing the wheat, the rice, the cotton, sugarcane. We are independent in growing vegetables and fruits. But other provinces are dependent on us. All the tax are being paid by the national income of the country.
We are also a source of the national income. How can we please? Man, calm down. Let him speak.
But in South Punjab, there is a lot of hunger. It has only one reason, which is that our sources are being used by the other provinces. We have been deprived of our rights. So I want to become a sovereign state where we can save the rights of our people in a good manner. Thank you.
What's your point, my son?
Sir, I belong to Balochistan province. Our province is largest with respect to area, and we are sole provider of natural oil, gas and precious metal gold. We have not given proper benefits of what we provide. We have not given basic infrastructure, and no interest is paid for whatsoever for our development. In our province, there are educational system is very weak. There are few educational institutes. There is no security for women. Women are treated in inhuman manner. There is no security for children. There is no proper system of electricity. That's all.
We have been the main source of revenue generation of country. Baba Sai, we have been the victims of all political murders. Karachi is the biggest city of our country, and about 60% of industries are located here. But despite of all this, Baba Sai, despite of all this, we have much less importance as compared to Punjab. But Baba Sai, despite of all this, we are saying, every Sindhi is saying, Pakistan khape, Baba Sai, Pakistan khape.
Pakistan not khape. What is that?
No, Pakistan khape.
has said that. Pakistan not khape.
Baba Sai, what's the reason? Both after 63 years of independence, we Sindhi are just identified as Mahajan. Please tell me and give us our rights. They are exploiting our resources, Baba Sai. That's our country.
Your Highness. Main problem of my province is that we are not given what we are being promised of. We've been deprived of our rights. One main problem of that is that when all three of them are having names according to the languages, why we are not given a suitable name for us? Why we are being called as Sarhad? Ridiculous. This is not a name, Sarhad. NWFP, what is that? Northwestern Frontier Province. We don't agree to that. When we are having the names as the Punjab or Sindh or the Balochistan, why do you call us as Sarhad? No name. I don't agree to that. We were the main force to liberate the Kashmir's, the main portion of the Kashmir during the freedom fight. Still, the same army of my country is continuously attacking my people.
Because you are terrorists, you are behaving like terrorists.
Calm down. This is the main problem again, the third one. I'm wrongly accused of being a terrorist. We are not, sir. We are innocent people. Your army is like they are killing my sisters, my brothers, my sons, and other family members. Where should I go? So that is the reason that I would say I will have to go with a different country, with a different name altogether. Thank you very much.
After listening to each and every one of you, I would like to say something. When I recall the memories of past days, when we were overwhelmed by emotion, when our dreams were higher than our expectations, where even the smallest child was desperate to fight for the freedom. How can I forget the countless lives we lost to achieve this beloved land, to attain our entity as a Muslim in the modern world? Our students were the main power in achieving this land peace. hundreds and thousands of people migrated. I fought for Pakistan. I did everything I could do to stop slaughter. I fought for Pakistan so that 100 million people could live their life with safety and dignity. Over the 60 years period, you have changed the whole scenario. You have got indulged into personal. I provided you with such a huge platform. It's realistic that you forgot the basic purpose of separation. Iqbal, the dream leader of your nation, provided you with perfect ideology. But sadly, you got split up. But the fight for the right is not over. We can still unite and make this land a land of peace and prosperity. Champions are not made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, a vision. At the last, I would like to say, let's promise to make this land a land of my dreams, a land of your dream, a land of our dream. And let's not forget the fundamentals I repeated 60 years back. Unity, faith, discipline. God bless Pakistan.
दोनों हमको जान से प्यारे, हम पर वारे अपनी जान। एक हमारा कायद आज़म, एक हमारा पाकिस्तान। एक है माला, चार है मोती, चारों की है अपनी शान। पंजाब है जिस्म तो जान है इसकी, सरहद सिंध बलूचिस्तान।
पाकिस्तान
जिंदाबाद,
पाकिस्तान
जिंदाबाद।
तुम हो पास बाइस के, ये वतन हमारा है। तुम हो नगमा बाइस के, ये वतन हमारा है। तुम हो नगमा बाइस के।
बहुत ही नाट पड़ जाएंगे।
के परचम को सर बुलंद ही रखना, ये वतन तुम्हारा है। तुम हो पास बाइस के, सिर्फ उम्मा थे, असल दास्तां के अपना आप पहचानो। ये वतन तुम्हारा है, तुम हो पास बाइस के, ये वतन हमारा है। हमें नगमा बाइस के, ये वतन